Shrimp is a rich source of protein, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. When prepared well, it is a delicious delicacy enjoyed by millions worldwide. Unfortunately, some persons who sell shrimp, whether frozen or fresh, use unscrupulous practices to deceive unsuspecting customers. Over the next few minutes, this video will educate you about buying shrimp and alert you about these dishonest practices to empower you to make the best choices when purchasing these products. And only then you will understand clearly what are some of the key factors to look for when you are purchasing fresh or frozen shrimp, and how to get the best value for money. What is the difference between using frozen and fresh shrimp? Fresh shrimp that is immediately frozen is often of the highest quality, as the very low temperatures tremendously slow its deterioration. Frozen shrimp can have a shelf life of 12 to 18 months, while fresh shrimp must be consumed within 1 or 2 days. Frozen shrimp may be sold in one solid block of ice called block frozen, or as individual shrimp pieces, also referred to as IQF or individually quick frozen. In both of these types of frozen shrimp, water is frozen around the shrimp, and this acts as a protective barrier for the shrimp, guarding it from breakage and from deterioration in quality. This ice used to protect the shrimp is called glaze. The block frozen method provides the best protection for the shrimp, but thawing is longer, and the entire block must be subjected to thawing, even if only a portion of it is required for preparation. The IQF method, on the other hand, is very consumer-friendly for portion control and thaws very quickly. However, there is less protection from glaze and consequently a shorter shelf life than that of block frozen shrimp. Glaze is essential in the protection of frozen shrimp, but it is the first and primary source of deception in the selling of shrimp. How do dishonest salespersons use price, size, or grade to deceive customers? Shrimp is sold by weight, $40 per pound, for example. But are you paying for shrimp or glaze? Let us look at two different brands of shrimp. Both Brand A and Brand B are being sold in 2-pound bags. Brand A weighs 2 pounds in its packaging. Brand B weighs 2.2 pounds. Both of these shrimp are glazed to protect the shrimp. By removing the glaze, we can determine the true weight or net weight of the shrimp without any additional water from the glaze. After thawing Brand A, it is then drained thoroughly to remove all additional water. Now, it is reweighed so that the true weight of the shrimp can be determined. Look! Brand A only has 1.7 pounds. However, after draining, it can be seen that Brand B truly has 2 full pounds of shrimp. Unscrupulous persons lure unsuspecting customers with low prices per pound. However, the shrimp often have very high levels of glaze, which all disappears during cooking. So what about fresh shrimp? Fresh shrimp can hold as much as 25% or more water, particularly within the head. This all vanishes during preparation. Be very careful when purchasing fresh shrimp. It is very likely you will actually be obtaining only 75% of the weight that you paid for. Try it for yourself. Drain your shrimp, and you do the math. Is it really worth it? Always ensure that you are paying for shrimp and not water. Shrimp size or grade impacts price significantly. With the increase in size, there is generally a consistent increase in its price per pound. Shrimp sizes are determined by the number of pieces that weigh 1 pound. This is called its count. Always ensure that your shrimp count is accurate. Be vigilant for inconsistent shrimp sizes or grading. Pricing may be used by untrustworthy people to mislead you into thinking that you are getting a bargain. Now you know how to avoid being charged for water and glaze or ice when buying frozen and fresh shrimp, and how to ensure you get the correct shrimp count you pay for. So, ask questions, examine your product carefully, and demand value for your money. Always remember that usually when a price is too good to be true, it usually is. Don't be fooled.